All right, you guys, I'm actually on my way out of here, but I wanted to give you a brief update because that wall is done and so is this niche wall here. So I'm really excited. So that's what happens when you come and they're still working. You say the wrong thing. So yeah, that got done. It looks really, really good. It's super clean. I want to show you guys real quick because the countertop with the backsplash looks really good. They're still not done. I'm not sure if I mentioned this, but the tub is clean, okay? And they also changed the small niche. It's so small, I don't even know what the heck is gonna fit in here, but I'm gonna see if I can find little small clear bottles to go here. Maybe my Joe Malone bottles can fit here because they're so square. I'll probably do 3 that I just leave right there, but they changed it and it looks really good. All right, you guys, in the loft, you really can't see the 6th light fixture, but there is a total of 6 recessed lighting. These are the recessed lights that have the conversion kit already there, so I can actually do light fixtures. And I'm thinking about doing something, especially to these right here. I definitely want to add 2 chairs right here, because right now the grass doesn't look like anything, y'all. I mean anything, because they've done all the work for the sprinkler system out there, and I think in the next 2 weeks they're gonna be out here to do the sod. So I'm really, really excited. It's gonna be good once they get it done out here. OMG, you guys, it is beautiful. You could literally sit right here on the steps, which is exactly what I'm doing, and just look at the view outside. It's so pretty. I think the lot itself was just a great pick because it's not necessarily dead center of the pond, but it's close, and the water is wrapped around all the windows. Look at that. So yeah, I'm not sure if I'm gonna do shutters. I may leave it open again. I don't know. We'll see. I definitely want shutters upstairs and in the office, 100%. In the upstairs, the front of the house, I want it to look really, really nice. It's just, it looks so pretty here. I don't want to DIY anything, but oh my gosh. Some Roman shades or even like a valance would look really pretty. I feel like I want something that can go up and down, so that way maybe some motorized blinds or something, right? So that way they can go up in the daytime like this. It's not even like daytime, it's like 4 now, but it can go up and then go down. It's gonna look really pretty. All right, you guys, I'm looking for something in particular, and when I see it, I'll know exactly what it is. I don't know what it is just yet, but once I see, okay, Simply Human. Let me see this real quick. See, my thing is I don't have a thing on the sink anymore because I don't have 2. I just have 1. It's a sink caddy, and this doesn't look like. It looks like it may just sit on the side. Oh, and it drains out. I actually like this. I just don't know how it goes. Because Christmas is over, I know it's going to be a little bit difficult for me to find any sets or anything like that. So, I don't know if I'm going to find anything, but I'm looking. Let me look, y'all, and I'll come right back. Okay, you guys, I love this. I think it's beautiful. I love this. You guys, this here is gorgeous. This is really, really pretty. I just don't like the purple flowers, but it's really pretty. All right, you guys, I spotted this. This is $180. So you guys mentioned it's harder for you to find larger pieces and it's gonna be like really expensive. Again, you can do pairs, you can do 3s, you can do 4s, and you can do a solid 1. But if you just take a look, if you just take your time and look around, you can really find some nice pieces. Now I like this. This is something where I would probably buy some more paint and tweak it and even get it framed for the 180 to make it look really, really nice. And you can really put it however you want. But I want you guys to see this one here. There's something in front of it, but even this one here is a really, really large frame. I think it's really great too. And it's $100. Here goes a set of 3, you guys, and this one here is only $79.99. And these are really good. You see that? This one is huge. Look at that. That is huge. I saw this little thing in the box and I'm like, what in the hell is it? It's so cute and it's $5.
Yeah, I know.
And I did not just want to spend $5 and not know what it was. But y'all, this is the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. Am I gonna use it? I don't know, but it's the cutest thing. Hold on a second because I'm not done. This is salt and pepper. And all I did was I opened it. Alright, it's already open, just for the record. I didn't like open it. It was already open. It says as is. I guess, I don't know. I looked at the name at the bottom and I googled it and it came up. Look, it's right there. See it? Right there. And I'm like, this is the cutest thing. It's only $5. So I'm gonna buy it because I'm extra. Y'all, I just stopped at the drive-thru to get something to eat. Legit. Oh, where's my glasses at? Okay, I don't know. I just stopped at the drive-thru to get something to eat because I am hungry. But I didn't buy anything except for the little salt and pepper. Salt and pepper. It's really hard to shop, number one, when like I'm not in the house and I don't have any decor. It's really hard. And I try to follow my own advice, telling you guys don't buy until you're actually physically in the house. So I literally packed the basket with things and I was just like, I don't love any of this stuff. I'm just buying it just because. So I took everything out the basket and put it back, and I just got the salt and pepper shakers. I really need to just kind of hold my horses because I have like 4 collabs that are coming up that I'm really excited about. One of them is Container Store, so I'm gonna do like a full organization of the fridge. And by now you guys probably already saw the trash baskets gonna go in all the cabinets, so that way I kind of keep some level of sanity in the house. The lighting company, of course, Sherwin-Williams, you guys. Sherwin-Williams is on that list. Who else is on the list? Laloy with the rug company. I'm gonna say Ashley Home Store, but I'm not 100% sure about Ashley Home Store, but I'm just gonna say Ashley Home Store, but I don't know. So I would I'm gonna do the measurement video, you guys. Just give me a second to kind of get back to Savannah. So just give me like a little bit. My mind is all over the place right now. The reason why I'm doing the measurement video also, you guys asked, so that's that. But I figured you guys was gonna say yes once I said it. That's why I was like, why am I even asking? I should just do it. Anyway, so when I do video consultations, a lot of my clients are not comfortable measuring. Like they're like, Caroline, what? And I kind of do step by step. So I feel like if I do the video in a how-to type of manner, before I do my consultations, I can forward the video to the client and they can watch it and they can feel like, oh, I can do this.
Page 961.
All right. Oh, my card's in here. Here you go. Thank you.
Huh?
I said thank you.
I don't know about it.
Thank you. And let me tell y'all, my bag has been a hot mess express. Let me pull over to check my food real quick before I drive off. And I didn't even take my own advice. I told you guys, start small and work your way big, so that way when you get your bags, all your stuff is situated, right? I didn't do that. I had my Louis Vuitton Trousse. I had my little Louis Vuitton Pachette. And if you don't know, the Trousse is the pretty big one. It's about, in size, it's about this big. I'll say about this big. And it goes straight across and it zips, and it has a wipeable wipeable canvas on the interior, so you can put like liquids and stuff and makeup in there. And then I have the pochette, which is this guy here, and if you're going out, you can do like a little wristlet thing and just travel with this. I used to take this out a lot, but I don't anymore. But for Christmas I got this, which is another form of a pochette. It comes in 2 or 3 sizes. I love this, you guys. It's like, it has the zip that goes around. I highly recommend it. Highly. There's no zippy thing on there, but I have my ID. I have my little Gucci thing with all my little card holder. I have my debit card. I have some receipts in here. Listen, this is how nasty like inside my bag used to look, and all I do is keep it like this, so when I'm done I slide it in here, and now my bag looks so organized. I need to get one more little organizing tray and my bag will be together. Let me tell y'all, I'm not a big fan of Chick-fil-A. I know everybody like it. Their chicken is a little weird to me, a little bit. At first it was like, oh my gosh, this is so good, but now I get like this aftertaste when I eat it. I don't like it, right? Even though I don't really care for them a whole lot, they're consistent. Their food is always hot, ready. Well, at least in my experience. Let me not speak for everyone. In my experience, the food is hot, ready, and everything. All right, you guys. About to hop on the highway. I got another hour before I get back to the house. Take me a nice shower, man, and lay down. Hopefully you guys enjoyed seeing the update of the house. I did. It's so crazy. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all, my closing date has been pushed back yet again. And a lot of people were like, oh gosh, they're moving so quick. And I said, listen, the framing part, that don't really mean nothing. Good morning. It's a little cold outside, so don't be looking at me looking crazy. Oh my gosh. He said 10 o'clock. I'm actually 5 minutes early. I hate being late to like actual vendor appointments. And then I have to go meet a client right afterwards. So I'm hoping I can be with him for like